leaders are going under the huge pressure of keeping teams together that's burning out. So leaders are burning out. So what do we do to actually start addressing this to make sure it doesn't come to a collapse? We need to start leading by example. As a leader, it's important to have clear boundaries, to know that this is the time that you can be contacted, and this is your personal or family time. Model that. Have conversations about how people are feeling. Check in. Where are they at? How are they doing? Why is this person constantly getting sick? What is happening to their systems? What can we do to improve that? What is happening in teams? People, more and more, because of being able to work remotely, the person is actually not realizing that they need contact, and people are struggling on their own. And often the burnout is there, but we're not seeing it. We need to start investing in our people. We need to start investing in ourselves.